Today I'm going to be apartment hunting in downtown Los Angeles, touring 4 apartments in 2 different complexes. Right now I live in Orange County, and I'm really happy there. I do pay $2,400 each month for my current studio. I also work remotely, so my location is flexible. My lease ends in June, but I have to provide 2 months notice if I do decide to move. And it's already the end of February, so I'm starting to feel pressured about this decision, and April's coming up really fast. I'm also unsure how much my current place will increase the rent if I do renew. I love my current apartment, but since I moved here from the East Coast, I wasn't able to explore as much as I would have liked before selecting my current location. So today we'll be trying to see if the grass is greener on the other side, deciding if I should stay in my current apartment or consider upgrading in either Los Angeles or another location in Orange County. Stay tuned. I am in DTLA today, starting with Perla on Broadway. And right now I'm in a 1-bedroom apartment, so let me go ahead and give you the tour. Real quick, I have to mention the location of the first complex was pretty ideal for downtown LA. It's right across the street from Grand Central Market, the last bookstore, and the Sunday morning farmers market. There's also a historic theater and a metro station close by, although I have yet to meet a single person who has ever used the LA Metro. So you come in here right away, there's a little bonus space. You could use it for storage or maybe an extremely small den. If you walk in, there's really great natural lighting here. Very efficient but modern kitchen. I like all the cabinets. I feel like there's plenty of storage. I love the dappled light from the balcony. So pros and cons, you do get great lighting. It does look like it is a shared balcony terrace situation, but it would be nice just to pop out of your apartment and go sit in the sun. I feel like it's a really rare find in LA, and this would be your view. So right now I'm on the 7th floor. Here's some of the other shared areas. And if we go back in through the living room, let's go check out the bedroom. Oh, I love a good pocket door. Ignore my tripod. I didn't need it today after all. Okay, so here's the 1 bedroom. I love the floor to ceiling window. Again, great view. And I love having those trees outside, because that's something rare, you know, in a city, getting to see a little bit of nature from your own apartment. If we come this way, oh, really nice size walk-in closet. There's also some additional storage here. Okay, 2 closets, potentially his and hers, or in my case, mine and mine. Oh, another pocket door for the bathroom. Love that. I like the flooring and the walls as well. It looks very modern, and I think they were just touching up this apartment, the paint, which is why there's some tape. This kind of mirror is perfect for doing your makeup when it has the lights already in it. Love that. Plenty of storage. Nice little shelf. And modern shower. Looks like a deep set tub too. Soaking tub. And maybe one more closet, or okay, it's the laundry. Very nice. Right, so I'm also touring a 2-bedroom just for the heck of it, and this is also a corner unit, so I'm really excited to take a look. Another pocket door to save space. Wow, imagine waking up to that mountain view, huh? All right, so if we go this way, pretty normal size closet, I would say. Let's check out the other bedroom too. Oh, what a beautiful living room. The kitchen with an island. What a beautiful view. So this is the living room and kitchen. And since we are in a corner unit, we have extra windows. This is the primary. I don't know, gorgeous. Again, we have a modern mirror. Really easy to do your makeup in the morning. Nice tall ceilings. And oh, you know, this is a little bit interesting. You could put like extra storage here in the bathroom. I like that it comes with books already. And again, pretty standard size closet here. Let's check out the other bathroom. There's the kitchen. What's this? Pantry? Oh, electrical, okay. I would never open that. Here's the other bathroom. Pretty similar to the first, right? Very nice. Another closet. There's definitely plenty. Oh, nope, this is laundry. And here's probably the linen closet / additional storage. No, another 2 electrical closets. Okay, that's a little bit ridiculous. This complex also had a lot of amenities, including a garden terrace, gym, movie theater, and multiple lounges, including gaming, reading nooks, and spaces to wine and dine your guests. There's a city terrace, including grilling stations, a quote-unquote wolf park, there's a pet spa, and a pool. And finally, an absolutely stunning 360-degree rooftop lounge, which I would love to check out the view from up here at night. Next, I headed over to tour THEA at Metropolis. I was not as big of a fan of this neighborhood as the previous location, although it was right next door to a city Target and a few other shops with not too much to walk to. Okay, so the agent was in the other room with us, but I do think this is an interesting layout. I don't feel like I need 1.5 bathrooms if it's only a 1 bedroom. And I'm not really a big fan of making people walk through your closet on the way to the bathroom. But yeah, I do like the high ceilings. I like the view. Even though this apartment is really close to the highway, I really don't hear the cars at all, which is a big plus. I think maybe it's like a double pane glass or something like that. Great view of the horizon. So this is a realistic tour. I am, very honest about my experiences, and also right by the pool, which you can see below, was like the dog bathroom area, and I could definitely smell it before I saw it, if you get what I mean. Okay, so this is a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bath, just for the heck of it. I just wanted to kind of see the potential in case, I don't know, who knows, I might live with someone in the future, probably not, but okay, here's the powder room, just to start. Then here we have our first bedroom. So this bedroom is actually bigger than the other one, but the other one has a bigger closet. So I feel like that's, a pretty fair trade-off. View, can't ask for anything better. Floor to ceiling windows. And here, again, walking through the closet, which I'm not a fan of, into the bathroom, but you do have dual sinks, which is a pretty interesting feature. Then if we just head right on back out, let me show you the living room and the kitchen space. There's some people in there, so I'll try to be quiet. So here's the second bedroom. I actually like this one a lot more for some reason, even though it's a smaller living space. But you can't beat a closet like this. I could sleep in here. Okay, so this place is definitely too big for me alone, but it was fun just to see a corner unit, see something a little bit different. This one does have a significantly smaller bathroom, but that's fine with me. This complex had a similar array of amenities, but I noticed they weren't as well kept as the previous complex, which was a little bit surprising due to the higher price point of these apartments. But there was still a pool, a gym with a yoga room, a very minimalistic lounge featuring a very LA healthy vending machine. They also had a simple conference room and a movie theater that you can rent out for movie nights. So technically my lease is up in June, so that's when I can decide if I want to stay in Orange County or if I do want to move to LA. I'm still debating, so I will be doing some more apartment hunting and showing some more apartment tours. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.